Oh man, it has been a long time, I think over a month, since I have even recorded a video. Well, that's not true. I've recorded some stuff. I just haven't released anything. So I just finished watching a video, this video. It's weird. It's like the internet was all 5 a.m. wake-ups are the best. 5 a.m. wake-ups will change your life. And now everyone's like, 5 a.m. wake-ups suck. I wanted to talk about that. Okay, so as you guys know, I have been working on 5 a.m. wake-ups for almost 2 months, 3 months, maybe even 3 months now. And it's been going incredibly well for me. I even had a 30 to 32 day streak about a month ago. This last month's been a struggle to get a streak going, but I've still woken up for almost 4 to 5 days a week at 5 a.m. And I'm currently in the middle of a 9-day streak. And it's just amazing. But here's the thing. Here's the thing that no one thinks about when they decide to do 5 a.m. wake-ups. Bedtime. You think 5 a.m., yeah, I'm gonna get more time. You know, bed like 11, like normal people do. Wake up at 5, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Takes me like 30 minutes to an hour to go to sleep. That's not enough sleep. No one thinks about that. You gotta go to bed earlier. One of the key pieces to succeeding at 5 a.m. wake-ups for me has, one, been tracking the streaks in this video, and even more importantly, going to bed early. I try to go upstairs to my room, 9 a.m., read for about an hour. No more than an hour normally, because I don't want to go to sleep after 10. And then I get in bed by 10. But if I'm tired at 9:30, I go to bed. If I'm tired at 9, I go to bed. I don't tell anyone, but if I'm tired at 8:30, I'll go to bed. So if you want to try 5 a.m. wake-ups, I highly encourage it. It is currently 5:30 here, and I've already gotten so much stuff done. I'm getting this video done. No one's awake. The world is peaceful and calm. No one's interrupting you. There's no emails to deal with. It's amazing, but I also went to bed at about 10:15 last night, which was late. If you are gonna try these, I'd love to hear about it. Hear how it goes for you. There are some people that are just night owls, and there's some people that are more morning people. I'm definitely more on the morning person side than the night owl side, so that could be a thing. I hope you like this video, and if you do, I would really appreciate one of those like thumbs ups and all the other stuff the YouTubers ask you to do. Subscribe, hit the bell, all those sorts of things, and I will talk to you sometime in the future. Bye guys.